guys, so welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's episode we have this guy. So this is the OnePlus Nord. I have been waiting so long to get this. I've missed having a phone. I've been using my iPad, so if I've been inactive in any communities, you'll probably know why. Because my iPad, doesn't get many notifications and stuff like that. So I'm so glad to have a phone, and what a phone it could be rather than the OnePlus Nord. I've been waiting for this to come out for like 2 or 3 months now, so yeah, let's crack it open. It did come in a box, but who wants to see like a random cardboard box? So we're unboxing the OnePlus Nord today, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Just forgot my scissors, but let's, oh wait, no, don't need them, do I? Aha! An open little pulley mechanism. So we can just slide this off, and we've got some ASMR for you guys, so maybe not. And I have to say, like, this is one snazzy box. Feeling like a case as well, suit or something. Yeah, very nice finish. It's matte, and it's also got the glossy Nord logo. And if we lift this up, you can see also the blue accents. This way, Nord. So if you guys didn't know, Nord means north in a lot of European languages. I'm European as well, kinda. I mean, if you count England as being in the north, as being in Europe. But yeah, so this is the box, This Way Nord. You get the fingerprint scanner as well. And so we'll get this baby up. Wow, this instantly feels very slim. It's a very slim feeling phone. It's quite light as well. And yeah, okay. So here's the Nord. So let's take the sticker off. You can see we got it in the blue marble colour. I was dying to get this colour because it is absolutely beautiful. Amazon, they had the grey onyx and the blue marble, and let's just say blue marble just looks so good. It's a bit of a fingerprint magnet, as you can already tell, but so while it's booting up, you can see the OnePlus logo. It's made out of plastic, and we also get the mute slider and all that. Oh, what the heck? So you get the mute slider, the power on button, the volume button, and all that. And we've got Oxygen OS symbol. Hi there. And USB-C port. This is a plastic frame with a Gorilla Glass 5 front, Gorilla Glass 5 back. So yeah, so this is the OnePlus Nord. We'll put that aside for a second, and we can watch it as it stares it down with its double punch hole. Some people don't like this, but obviously I think it's actually pretty decent. It's not too big of a punch hole like in the P40 Pro. So let's take off this little envelope right here. So we get welcome letter. So this is from Pete Lau, I think, and all the teams. So there's Carpe and Pete Lau, and I'm sorry, I don't know your name, I'm sorry. But these are the CEOs and founders of OnePlus, so get a nice letter from them. And yeah, we get a little sticker there. This is the retail box. I could have went with some of the gifts, but this was probably what you guys would be getting if you went with it. And as you can see, here we get the SIM ejector tool and some of the books and stuff. So yeah, there we go. And we also get some stickers for OnePlus and a quick start guide and all that. But here's the case. So it's quite a weird finish. It's got like this weird little I'll put it in and see what it looks like so I can show you guys. And as you can see, it preserves colours really well. It actually makes it look more of a teal colour when it's in the case, and it covers the USB-C port, so that's more added duration, like durability for the for watermarks and all that. But this is seriously a very nice looking phone, so we'll put that aside. And here is the Warp Charge 30 charger from OnePlus. So this is 30-watt fast charger. Should get your phone from 0 to 70% in half an hour. And also you get the red charging cable, typical OnePlus. They probably should have made it like a blue colour, to match the OnePlus branding, but the OnePlus Nord branding, but typical OnePlus includes a nice little red charging cable. So that is the unboxing for the Nord. We'll go set this up, and I'll be back with you guys with some tests later. I'm not going to do my first impression because I really need to get this video out, because I really want to get it out before all the other YouTubers get it, because I'm actually pretty quick to this one. But yeah, so here's the OnePlus Nord. It feels very light on first impressions. Very nice glass back. Plastic frame, which isn't amazing, but it still feels pretty premium. Just an overall great looking phone. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm doing a race with my good friend, Top Tech Geek, so if you guys want to help me out and help me win the race, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So this has been the OnePlus Nord, this has been Tech or Us. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay techy, and I'll see you next one. Bye-bye!